Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful volatility index strategy that you can use to scalp the market. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I will quickly share with you guys the indicator setup for this, and then I will explain how to take trades with this strategy. Okay. Alright, so you are first of all going to be clicking on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you click on this plus icon, the main window plus icon, then you search for relative strength index. For the relative strength index, we only need the levels. Okay, so you are going to make this the period 1, apply to its close. The levels, you make it 15 and 85, you make the color red. After that, you click on done. The next thing here is to change the color for the style to the color of your background. All right, then you make the pixel 3. All right, so after that, you click on done. The relative strength index will be added to your chart. Now the next indicator we have here is moving average, which is this first one here. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon now to add the moving average under the relative strength index. So these are the parameters for the first moving average. The period is 5, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its close. All right, the levels, you leave it as it is. Time frame, all time frame. Now on the style, you make the color blue and you make the pixel 3. All right, after that, you click on done. The first moving average will be added. Now the second moving average, which is this one, the period is 25, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its close. Time frame, all time frame. Now the style, you make the color yellow and you make it 3 pixel. That is all for that. The last moving average we have here is, you can see the period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its close. Level, you leave it as it is. Time frame, all time frame, you make the color black. All right, and you use 3 pixel for it again. After that, you click on done. You are going to have a screen like this. All right, so this strategy is a very simple strategy to understand. All right, and it works better with the help of price action. Okay, so if you understand a little bit of price action, you can use it with this strategy. All right, so the indicators here will help you to confirm your support and resistance zone. All right, so for those of you that don't know much about price action, I will explain using these indicators. All right, so once you see that price gets to this oversold level, which is the 15 level, you are to wait for one more condition, which is going to be the crossing of this blue and black above the yellow moving average. All right, so once you see that it has crossed above it like this, you take your buy. All right, and then you hold till it gets to the 85 level, then you exit the market. All right, and you can add a little bit of price action by adding the break of structure. All right, so you can do this, like you mark out the most recent structure of the market. Let's say, for example, this area here. All right, so once you see that price has gotten to this level, you mark out the most recent structure, and then what you do is that you wait for price to break and close above that structure there. Then immediately it closes, you can execute your buy entry from this area here, right? And then your stop loss is going to like go below that structure, which is this area here, and then you can target for this structure, or you can hold till price the moving average gets to the overbought level, and then you exit the market. All right, it's as simple as that. All right, so with price action it's more easier. Okay, but if you are trading with the indicators alone, it's kind of a bit confusing. Okay, because this indicator they do lag. All right, but with price action you will get a better results. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy and see if it's working for you before you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this video. For the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in 2 times, right? So that is all, guys. If you are new to my channel, do make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, guys. All right, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Before I go, I want to quickly remind you guys about the free beginners class that is coming up on my Telegram channel. Okay, so if you haven't heard about that, let me quickly say it again. I'm hosting a free beginners class in my Telegram channel, which will be starting on the 5th of September. So if you are a beginner and you are looking for mentorship, do check the description of this video. You'll get the link to my Telegram channel. Okay, so do make sure you join the channel. All right, and in that channel I'll be teaching you guys all about forex trading from the basics to the advanced level. Okay, so do make sure you join and your life will never remain the same. Okay, so I think that is going to be all. I'll be closing the curtain here now. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.